This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both apps so routing works. Open Logic, then launch Mainstage and load the concert with the patch you want. Make sure the IAC driver or an aggregate device is active in audio MIDI setup so Logic can send MIDI to Mainstage. Once done, assign a bus or external instrument channel in Logic to route MIDI. This sends note and CC data to the patch. Do this now so the next steps operate on a working connection between the two programs. You now map channels and controls so the patch responds correctly. In Logic, create a MIDI or external instrument track sending to the IAC bus channel you enabled. In Mainstage, select the patch's channel strip and confirm its MIDI input matches that channel. Enable MIDI learn for any CCs you need to control. Next, assign program change numbers if you plan to switch patches from Logic. Once mapped, test notes and CC movement. Make adjustments and save the mapping as a preset inside the concert, so recall is consistent. You finish by syncing, automating, and checking common failure points. Set Logic to send MIDI clock or use rewire to keep tempo and transport aligned. Make sure Mainstage accepts that clock. Automate patch changes with program change messages or draw automation lanes in Logic to trigger patch switches. If things go wrong, verify IAC driver is enabled, MIDI channels match, audio outputs route to your interface, and plugins aren't frozen. Finally, save both Logic project and Mainstage concert so your setup reloads reliably next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.